Hi, Ellie here, and I'm going to compare the Ooni Karu 12 pizza oven with the newly launched Karu 12G. Ooni have recently launched a new version of the Karu 12 pizza oven range and added a G to its name, the Ooni Karu 12G. So let's find out what has changed in the new 12G compared to the original Karu 12. The Ooni Karu 12 ovens are great for using outdoors as a portable pizza oven for cooking pizza up to 12 inches. Let's go through the similarities first. Even though they look structurally different, they still offer similar options and features. They are both relatively lightweight, easy to transport for picnics and camping trips, and to move around your backyard and garden. They are also a similar size. The new 12G measurements are on the screen, and it weighs 15.5 kilograms, which is 34 pounds. And the Karu 12 measurements, it weighs 12 kilograms, 26.4 pounds. They both have foldable legs, and the compact size of these ovens mean that storing them is easy to do. You can remove the chimney, the stone and the grate burner to store separately from the oven, and this makes the oven lighter to carry around. They run on wood and lumpwood charcoal, with the option of buying the gas burner. Having these multi-fuel choices gives you the opportunity to cook differently based on your preferences and the environment that you are cooking in. Setting them up is quick and straightforward. The Karu 12's oven has a shiny steel construction with rivets, giving it a more industrial kitchen vibe. The new 12G has a powder-coated exterior shell that fits in with the look of the other Ooni pizza ovens. Both are easy to wipe down and clean. They both reach a high temperature quickly, up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 500 degrees Celsius. This heat is crucial for achieving that authentic Neapolitan-style pizza cook that creates a perfect crispy crust and beautifully charred toppings. The cooking experience with both these ovens are fun and enjoyable. Just heat up your 15mm baking stone to 430 degrees Celsius and 842 degrees Fahrenheit in the centre, and you are ready to cook. It takes just a minute or two to cook a pizza, thanks to the intense heat generated by the flames at the back. There are some differences, however. The new 12G has some excellent new parts added to the oven that improve the cooking experience for the user. The first is the temperature dial on the side. This is really useful to check how your heat levels are progressing in the oven. Use this dial to monitor the oven temperature, and when it hits around the orange-red area on the dial, you should check the stone temperature in the centre using your digital laser thermometer. The second is the larger grate, and this is a great upgrade as a bigger grate equals a bigger flame and a longer cook time before topping up with more fuel. Good news here is that after some wiggling, I was able to insert the new larger grate into the Karu 12. And so if you have the Karu 12, I would highly recommend changing over to this new larger grate, which can be purchased separately. The grate lid is also larger at the back of the 12G, which makes it a lot easier to add your fuel. Last but not least is the biggest change to the Karu oven, and it's the glass door. Over the years I have been going on about how much I dislike cooking with a pizza door on, and so having a glass pizza door solves that problem. I love to see the pizza cooking, and the glass lets you do that with ease. It's a good size and you can easily see inside. It keeps itself clean and I love it. The door has a magnetic attachment, making it easy to open and close quickly. If you are thinking of buying the new Karu 12G, it's a super oven to have, and I think it cooks fantastic pizza using the wood burner. There is the option of buying a Karu 12 gas burner. Changing over to the gas burner is easy too. For my thoughts on the Karu gas burner, please check out my video on the link above and in the description below on the timestamp shown. I haven't tried the 12G with the original 3 gas burner as yet, but I know that it gives a super cook in the Karu 12 with the door and chimney off and the chimney lid on instead. In conclusion, both are super pizza ovens that offer portability, fuel versatility and a great pizza cook performance. They are easy to clean and will give you lots of wood-fired pizza cooking fun at home or on the go. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't already, please check out my first cook videos in the new 12G and the Karu 12 pizza ovens in the link above and in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.